is, it's blurry.
They all want their turn with the scratcher.
That's the best little gimmick from the dollar store ever.
For $1.
It's a goat and mule scratcher for 99 cents. 99 cents. Do Barney. Clyde wants more.
I only have one of them. You gotta do another 99 cents. This is a lot of work.
It's hard. You're shaking me.
Hmm?
You're shaking me too much. Do Clyde again between the things. I'm over a minute already. I like my videos to be less than a minute. I'm gonna do music, take out our voices.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. Okay. He likes that.